New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Now it was this one candle right here, and we are at that price. We had a little bit of a pullback, but we're at that entry level. So I am going to take a sell trade. So we're in the sell trade right now, and I'm going to place my stop loss, and I'm going to position my target. So we have all of this stuff set. The reason we got into this trade, the reason this was a signal, is we had the TBL telling us that that's the direction we need to trade. We need to be looking for these short trades. And then we had this big bar on the tetragram. And with this big bar on the tetragram, we've got that one signal right here. This entry candle is the one that got us into the trade. Everything across the board is telling us to go short. All the criteria is met. So from here, we're simply going to let this trade run. I'm going to record this as this trade plays out, and when we hit the take profit, I will be back. I am back, and this was an interesting trade. We got below that take profit level by probably just about a pip. Now, the spread on this was a whole pip. It was 1 pip. In a sell trade, you want the price to get below that line by whatever the spread is. And in this case, it was 1 pip, and we almost got to that 1 pip, but it wasn't far enough to take the trade out. And then we had a pullback, but because that trend is intact, this wasn't a huge deal. And the market, as we can see, continued to move in that trending direction, and it did take us out with the full amount. So let's take a look and see what we made on this trade. This was the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. The short trade made us $3,090.00. And this happened over the course of about half an hour. But if we're going to be honest about this one, we would have gotten into the trade a little bit earlier. So let's call it an hour. So we made $3,090 over the course of an hour, thanks to the Tradeonix trading system. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another live trade video.